it's Lisa from SewArty. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a video all about how I film my videos. So hello there, where's the green dot? Oh, the green dot's over there. Hello. Right, now today I will be filming a video on how I film my videos. Now as you can see, my sewing room is actually pretty untidy. This is a 360 of my sewing room. I try and fit in everything I can, and this is what it looks like, just like this. I'm sitting on my chair at the minute. But here, we'll stop here. This is how I work, just here. Right, hello, this is me. This is my desk. In this position right here, this is where I film all my videos. In front of me right now is actually the window. Now the window is perfect lighting for my face and also for my tutorials that I like to do. So I'm on a spinny chair right now, but as you can see me going round, I'm going round and round. My face is a lot darker from this angle, as you can see, and this is my window that I use. So I am very limited in the winter months because this is my main lighting. I do have a massive 100-watt light bulb also above me. As you can go around, you can see my face is getting a lot brighter because this is the beautiful daylight. If I didn't have that daylight, I would be struggling right now. My main way of actually filming overhead is this little thing here. It's fantastic. I put my phone on it and I can film overhead, and it's attached to the table, and it's lots of different angles. I can go up and down. I can also, another thing that is quite good is when I'm filming my sewing machine, I can turn it and my phone is on there and it actually films what I'm actually sewing. I've been through quite a few of different ways how to film an overhead picture. This is what I use for filming myself. I put my camera in, I put my phone in here, and I can actually face this to me, and I film. That's how I film my videos. And here I am, and I can adjust it to whatever I want. I do have 2 tripods. Sometimes in the winter months I actually have to use them to put more light on my videos. But this is my